On the unsettled side. This afternoon still some showers around, but mainly across the northeastern parts of Britain and all along the eastern coast as well. Further westwards we actually have some decent weather. That's because we're in between fronts. It's the front across the east here that's generating most of the showers, whereas towards the west that's where we are seeing the driest of the weather. But another weather front way in the Atlantic ready to bring some rain a little bit later on and overnight. But let's start the weather across northern parts today. First of all, showers already breaking out across the southern uplands. There could be some heavy ones during the course of the afternoon, stretching into Newcastle, all along the east coast, through Hull towards the southeast as well. Places like Norwich could catch a couple of showers. 1 or 2 showers possible for Greater London as well. But most of the Midlands, the southern parts of Britain here seeing the dry weather, although be a little bit on the cloudy side. However, we are starting to see some brightness getting into the very far southwestern tip of Cornwall through this afternoon. Across Wales, certainly more cloud than sunshine, but that sun is trying to break through the cloud and dry on the whole. And for Northern Ireland, we are seeing dry conditions for the rest of the afternoon as well. And really, you can see that those showers will be confined mainly towards the east and then die away in the evening. And then we are going to see that second weather front bringing some outbreaks of rain towards the northwest, then spilling into central parts of Britain and possibly affecting Greater London by the early hours of Monday morning. But not a cold night. Around about 16 degrees Celsius will be the overnight low. And the reason for that rain in the southeast is this weather front here, which will be clearing away towards the near continent during the course of Monday, but it will take time for it to eventually clear away and bring some drier weather from the west. So first thing in the morning on Monday, there will be some rain across the southeast, parts of the Midlands as well, but you can see there is a hint of slightly dry weather getting into western parts of Britain. So some sunshine on the cards and temperatures in Cardiff around about 19 degrees, but mostly the feel will be in the teens further north across Scotland, and those showery outbreaks of rain will continue into Tuesday as well. Now it looks as though the rest of the week will be on the unsettled side. In fact, the heaviest of the rain is expected towards the end of the week across southern parts of Britain, some breezy conditions as well. Monday night into Tuesday, we see yet another weather front approach the British Isles, affecting parts of Northern Ireland and the southwest as well. So cloud and rain for western parts of Britain during the first part of Tuesday, and this is indeed what we are going to see. And the rain and the clouds will be moving towards the east during the course of Tuesday, but further eastwards for Norwich and London there will be some sunshine around. Tuesday into Wednesday, we see those weather fronts establish itself across the UK, so it looks as though a lot of cloud and some outbreaks of rain for most of us, but fresher conditions and drier conditions will be reaching the western fringes of the British Isles, but towards the east it'll stay cloudy and wettest for longest, although still up to 22 degrees. A window of some good weather, that is, across eastern parts of Britain during the course of Thursday, but then in the wings, once again, we have another area of low pressure bringing some heavy rain towards the southwest later on Thursday. So places like Wales, Cornwall, Devon and Dorset seeing some rain later on, but drier weather further eastwards and across Scotland as well. Once we get towards the end of the week, it's looking like it will be a very cyclonic weather pattern, so low pressure in charge of the weather fronts, particularly across southern parts of Britain, and it looks as though the heaviest of the rain always towards the south. The southern parts of Scotland, of Wales, that is seeing some heavy rain, but towards the north across Scotland we are going to see the driest of the weather here, but towards the south it should be fairly warm.